In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click the same middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left icon. And to end it and save it, on the right one. Now to play it, click on it. To manage it, click on those three dots at the top right corner and use all of those options, like for example rename. Hit OK. Or go back and hold your recording here to operate all of those options at the bottom, like delete. If you decided to remove it, hit delete in the pop-up as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!